Hello and welcome to the AI Scout. My name is Nestor. Join me as we look at how artificial intelligence is making headlines this week. Let's get started with a few stories that may impact you, and stick with me to the end to see what Meta just released. I think it's going to be a big leap forward in the audio realm. Okay, let us begin with our first story. For Mercedes owners, if you have Mercedes-Benz User Experience Interface or MBUX, you can now have ChatGPT features in your vehicle. You can activate this beta feature by asking the voice assistant, "Hey Mercedes, I want to join the beta program." This will expand features to the current voice assistant. Now, keep in mind, they are collecting data on this, so I would be careful what you say with this feature enabled, though they say it will be anonymized. Up next, AT&T is working with OpenAI to deploy tools to assist its technology workers in tasks ranging from coding to customer support and language translation. Those of you in this field of work, keep an eye out for that. Now to the construction industry. Check out this story. In New York, an AI bot has been deployed with a 360 camera to assess the progress of construction in order to help project managers best evaluate work progress and deficiencies that need attention. Now I can imagine how well that is going over with contractors, as they see this robot checking out their work, and they are probably thinking, "Here comes the management spy. Quick, act busy." Alright, up next, not even relationships are safe in this new AI world. According to this article, a woman from New York has had a virtual marriage with an AI chatbot that she created through the Replica app. An interesting part of this story is that she was able to upload her husband into augmented reality. Makes me wonder about the future we are creating with AI. Is our population going to be more physically disconnected and end up like the movie Ready Player One? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, let's take a look at what the CEO of OpenAI is up to. Sam Altman has been globetrotting, meeting with many prime ministers and other leaders around the world, looking to get global cooperation to reduce the risk AI poses to humanity. I have been following this for a few weeks now, and I ask myself, why would the CEO of the company that created ChatGPT want to regulate the industry he is such a big part of? Then I see this headline that says it all, which tells me he wants to get ahead of the regulations by helping implement it. In his favor, of course. Though there are real risks to this technology, I believe it is a little late to tap the brakes. Pandora's box has been opened, and any regulation now would only limit who can use the technology and to what capacity. Next up, AMD is taking on Nvidia on artificial intelligence chip making. Though AMD is heading the route of CPU builds and Nvidia is going the GPU side, both companies seem to want a piece of this new $150 billion AI market. CEO Lisa Su mentioned two chips designed for large language models, the MI300X and the MI300A. AMD also released a cloud-optimized server CPU called Bergamo that will be used by Meta platforms. I think we are only scratching the surface of what we will be seeing in the next 5 years. Talking about Meta, they are introducing what they call the most versatile AI for speech generation. Let's take a look. Meta's new speech generation AI called VoiceBox is not just for cloning voices. This AI will feature smart audio editing to remove unwanted background sounds like dogs barking or car horns from your pre-recorded audio. It will also be able to perform text-to-speech synthesis with as short as a 2-second audio clip and match the audio style. It will be able to recreate portions of audio that is interrupted by noise and replace misspoken words. It can also transfer the style from one language to another. For example, speak in Spanish with a sample of text and it can produce what you spoke in another language. So this seems to me like the Photoshop of audio. Tell me what you think in the comments. Well, that is the news for this week. Thanks again for watching. Tap the like button and consider subscribing for more AI content. Till next time, bye for now.